Hello, good noon everyone. So, my dear Erkan friend, what do you think? Which method is more preferable in Bangladesh to implement the second language?
Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Hope so well. I'm also fit and fine. Okay, my dear friend Zubair Ahmed, you asked me that what is the method is more preferable for implementing in Bangladesh, GTM or CLT? So obviously, I would like to say about that. At first, we need to introduce two methods. What is GTM, what is CLT? What is GTM or what is CLT? We know GTM is grammar translation method. CLT is communicative language teaching.
Yes, so?
Okay, basically, we are used to follow the method GTM in Bangladesh rather than CLT. So, grammar translation method means our education system follow this from before 1971, when we are together in subcontinental areas, but after getting independence from Pakistan, we did not change this method. So obviously CLT, that means communicative language teaching method, is much more necessary, much more handy for learning speaking English or acquisition
The second
in
language.
learning English as a second language.
Yes.
So grammar translation basically follows two: reading and writing.
Yes.
It is basically teacher-centered method. When a teacher comes in the class, he is teaching and students remain silent. That means here teacher is active and students
Passive.
remains passive. So we cannot make a good connection, we cannot make argumentation or speaking. That's why grammar translation is not totally of all in Bangladesh for learning English. Just you imagine that from class 1 to class 12 or before completing graduation, a student can't speak English well. A student can't write something smartly. So why the problem is? We need to focus on this problem. Just we will identify two kinds here. The major two problems we are not used to introduce in CLT, and number two, we are used to following the GTM. So my dear friends, just sentence making and reading is not exactly at all in English. If we want to get a completing course, if we want to get completing facilitations, privileges in English, we have to focus on CLT.
Yes.
Basically, CLT combines four topics here: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. CLT is not teacher-centered. CLT is teachers and students-centered. Teachers and students, they are active here, none other than passive here. So if you make a good conversation, if we make a good connection with teacher and make something by grouping, learn something by grouping, then it will be very much easy, handy, useful, productive for us. It will be very much potential for us. Okay, my dear friend. Right now, I want to say about the challenges of complementing CLT in Bangladesh. So I think that you know about the GTM, about the CLT, because I exposed something briefly. But right now, I want to say about the challenges implementing in CLT in Bangladesh. How to implement CLT in Bangladesh easily and smartly. Lacks of classes and overdo here large class. So burden of large classes, we cannot get the fulfillment, we cannot get the opportunity for learning speaking English, because we know that main barrier implementing CLT in Bangladesh is large classes. So firstly, we identify large classes because CLT needs to small class and small number of students. Just 2 or 3 groups are smart for implementing CLT or learning CLT, because a student in a large class cannot learn something. A teacher cannot giving a smart lecture for teaching something. So large class is not suitable for implementing CLT. So obviously, for making sure implementing CLT, we have to make the classes small way, so that all students make group easily and learning something by grouping. Number 2, lackness of technological instruments. My dear friends, we know Bangladesh is not an affluent country. Bangladesh remains under poverty. So our investment in teaching center, our investment in teaching system is not suitable for implementing CLT in Bangladesh. So if you want to implement this at any cost, we have to provide all technological instruments like that: smart TV, monitor, projector, and laptops.
Number 3,
Lackness of teachers' skills. We know in Bangladesh, our English teacher is not enough qualified for implementing CLT, because GTM and CLT, there are large comparison. So we have no compare CLT between GTM, because GTM is a small method and it's just teacher centered, but CLT is teachers and students both centered here. Both are active, not passive. Our teacher have to keep ideology how to operate these technological instruments. Our teacher is not enough qualified how to prepare this topic. So, and our teacher also have no qualified how to operate this multimedia and projectors, laptop smartly. So if our teacher be skilled by government, then it will be handy for all kinds of students for implementing in CLT in Bangladesh. Another, our in general schools, colleges, that means those colleges, schools, universities who are operating by individually or private way, so they have lackness of enough money. They can't invest money properly. So that's why the teachers among these schools, colleges, universities, they are not being able to take a smart skill and quality, and they cannot be trained. So that's why it is another bad curse for implementing in CLT in Bangladesh.
Okay.
On the other hand, our small number of private universities, they have enough money, and those teachers can take this proper measurement for implementing CLT in Bangladesh. We know, my dear friend, our students, they are not willing to make group. So they are not used to grouping for learning something or learning English. So becoming CLT, we have to make sure the grouping for learning English and make sure CLT in Bangladesh.
As well as the reform of questions pattern, the exam, reform of exam facilities.
As well as get the handy and get the privileges, how to make preparation, how to decorate their syllabuses for upcoming exam or their pivotal exam. So it is very much necessary to make sure good and skillful grouping among them. Number 4, lackness of student argumentation, lackness of confidence, and lack of pronunciation as well as speaking something. So my dear friend, if our students make sure their pronunciation and their speaking level and make sure they are grouping, then it will be helpful and handy for the students and teachers for implementing CLT in Bangladesh.
Yes.
Our guardian or students, they are not sensitive to allow their self to make conversation and argument with teachers. They think that it will be the negative side and it's wrong for argumentation with teachers. It is totally incorrect. If they understand that by argumenting with teachers, students can easily get the confidence how to make conversation long term without feeling hesitation. So they can get the benefit by doing that. So I think that if this likeness can fulfill properly and confirmly, then it will be easy for implementing in CLT in Bangladesh. Okay, best of luck.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it with you. Best of luck.